To increase your Sezzle limit, follow these steps. Use Sezzle regularly. Consistent use of Sezzle and timely payments will enhance your credibility. Make sure to complete payments on time to build a positive payment history. Keep your account in good standing. Avoid missed payments and maintain a low balance on your linked payment method. A strong financial record will improve your chances for a limit increase. Check eligibility. Log into your Sezzle account and review your current limit. If you see an option for a limit increase or a message indicating you're eligible, follow the prompts provided. Make a request. If you don't see an automatic option, you may need to request a limit increase directly. Contact Sezzle's customer support through their website or app and inquire about raising your limit. Provide information. Be prepared to provide any necessary information, such as your income or other financial details, to support your request. Wait for approval. After submitting your request, wait for Sezzle to review your account. You will receive a notification regarding any changes to your limit.